Everyone knows sati or widow burning. Hindu scriptures encourage a widow to throw herself on her deceased husband's funeral pyre and burn herself to death. Hindu apologists quickly point out that widows are not forced to do sati, they freely choose to do it. But what they conveniently forget to mention is that Hinduism generally prohibits widows from remarrying after their husband's death. So rather than living the rest of their lives in forced celibacy, some Hindu women choose burning to death. Given all these repulsive teachings, how do Hindu apologists respond?
Platform is an opportunity for me to clarify doubts that these guys are spreading about Hinduism. It clearly says that, rise, O woman, to a new phase of life. Your husband is now dead and gone. Come take the hand of this man from among the living, who offers to take your hand and maintain you and live in consort with this other and a new husband of yours for a lifetime. And in an argument against Sati, if you have studied anything about, just 10 seconds if you allow me.
10 seconds if you want, go ahead.
Yeah, in Kootrodi, in a Koot, what was it? Koti Rudra Samhita, Lord Shiva tears the head off the person who made her daughter commit sati.
All right, and
tore
it's
his
about
head
time.
off. It's a crime.
Okay, so that's here sati. So even Vivekananda says widows are not burned on the funeral pyre of their husband unless it's a voluntary act of self-immolation. So even Vivekananda is endorsing widow burning. Vivekananda, the reformer that you follow and most Hindu apologists follow, he says that, yeah, this is a voluntary act. So is Vivekananda ignorant of the Vedas? That's a question. Then 8 wives of Krishna entered the funeral pyre. So the wives of Krishna were ignorant of the Vedas. Brahma Purana. So more references of sati, burning women alive.
And
okay?
time.
All of these references are here for you on sati, and it's praise. You know, that's the problem. It's praised in Hinduism.
Yes, you get emotional. And yes, you do take those actions of performing such as sati. But that is
kick it over to
strictly
Daniel.
prohibited.
Yeah, so I asked for a reference that prohibits sati. He couldn't provide it. The Rig Veda reference that you're showing us is ambiguous. It's not even clear. What is the world of the living? The world of the living, does it mean people in this life, or does it mean the next life? That's unclear in the Rig Veda. And even if we take your interpretation, the Rig Veda is not prohibiting sati. And if it is prohibiting sati, are you saying Vivekananda is ignorant of the Rig Veda? Are you saying that the Puranas are ignorant of the Vedas? Are you saying Krishna, the wives of Krishna, that 8 of them threw themselves on the funeral pyre, they were ignorant of the Vedas? So your argument is completely incoherent.